Hi friends, today we are going discussing on the topic trigonometry. I will say trigonometry is the word is derived from the Greek word, and the trigonometry is the combination of three words: tris and gonia metry. Tri means three, gonia means angles, metry means measurement. Okay, the trigonometry is based on two factors. One is triangle and another is geometry. Today I am going to teach you about the triangle. So, in triangle we are considering the right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. Angle B is where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C, we have to keep angle C as angle theta, and the sides which are opposite to the opposite to the angle theta is known as the perpendicular side or also called opposite side. The downside angle adjacent to the angle theta is known as the adjacent side, and the side which is opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. Now we have knowing this which side is called as this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent side. So by this the hypotenuse is we have three trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, why sir you have been told that only three? There are one more three you can remember. So I will say sin theta is sin theta. We are applying sin formula for theta. So sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side. Hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. And whereas tan theta goes to opposite side by adjacent. By adjacent. Okay students. Now the tan theta is also called as, can also be written as sin theta by cos theta. How it is formed? I will say the sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse divided by cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse is equal to implies opposite by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by adjacent by reciprocal in this. Hypotenuse cancel, then we get opposite by adjacent. So sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay students. Okay, next we have cosecant theta. Secant theta and cot theta. Okay, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, means hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, it is the reciprocal of sin theta. Next, secant theta is reciprocal of 1 by cosecant cos theta, implies hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent side, whereas the cot theta goes 1 by tan theta is equal to tan theta, implies tan theta is opposite by adjacent, whereas cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay students, now here I will show some problems on this. Consider a right angle triangle. Take angle A as theta, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Angles C. So angle A is equal to theta. So he gave angles BC is equal to 3 centimeters and BA is equal to 4 centimeters. We all know that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Ante means opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here we know the only sides, we don't know hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to, what is the opposite side for theta? 3 centimeter. 3 square plus 4 centimeter means 4 square. Adjacent side, it is adjacent side. H square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16. H square is equal to 25. H is equal to root 25. Then hypotenuse side is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, hypotenuse side is equal to 5 centimeter. Next topic, trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We are performing this first. Now consider a right angle triangle. First of all, consider a right angle triangle A, B, C. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C is equal to theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to hypotenuse adjacent by opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side for theta? AB. AB by BC. And cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, we have two, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Means BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay. Now we are taking the values. It is 7 centimeter. It is a 24 centimeter. And we have to find. We have to prove as adjacent is equal to. So by Pythagoras theorem, I am performing. We have to common factor. We have to take common factor for this. What is the AB square? AB square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay? AB square is equal to BC square. Now, we don't know AC square. We have to find out it. AB square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. Means AC square is equal to 49 plus 576. So AC is equal to root 625. AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem we have forgotten this, and sin AB by BC, AB by AC square whole square, AB by AC plus, what is the cosine? Means BC by AC is equal to, and we are performing both, we are splitting this AC by AC. So AB by AC is equal to AB by BC by AB plus BC by AC by AC whole square. Means here AB by AC is equal to AC by AC square cancel. It is 1, and by keeping here 1, so AB by AC value what? Sin. So sin square theta BC by AC